Hi, my name is Joel Moore. I'm here at Jess Auto Groups, and today we'll be talking about the F-150 Lightning. Sitting behind me is the all-new 2023 F-150 Lightning XLT. Today we'll be going over some of the unique features about it, everything from the power and towing to the mega power frunk. Because there's no traditional gasoline engine in this F-150 Lightning, they've replaced the gasoline engine with what they call the mega power frunk. The Mega Power Frunk features traditional 120 volt outlets as well as USB and USB-C for things like charging, laptops, or the ultimate tailgating machine, which also features a space down below that can double as a cooler or whatever you'd like to put in there. Here on the interior of this F-150 Lightning XLT, you're not going to notice much difference from the regular F-150s, other than the obvious battery percentage instead of your normal miles per gallon. Something unique to these F-150 Lightnings is going to be Pro Power on board. Pro Power on board allows you to supply power to those outlets we looked at previously, as well as some in the bed of the pickup that are going to allow you to power work tools, your computer, really anything that needs electrical supply you can give power to. This F-150 Lightning features the standard range 98 kilowatt battery, towing up to 7,700 pounds. When properly equipped, the Lightning can tow up to 10,000 pounds. Something unique to F-150 Lightnings is that they feature all-around independent suspension, and they have a really low center of gravity because the battery is mounted down here underneath the vehicle. That really low center of gravity combined with the all-around independent suspension makes for a really smooth ride on the rig, and I just wanted to pick your brain, see what you're thinking about it, see what I could do for you. This particular Lightning has a standard range battery producing 452 horsepower and 775 foot-pounds of torque. When properly equipped, the Lightning can produce 580 horsepower, 775 foot-pounds of torque. One of the main concerns when talking about electric vehicles is charge times, and Ford has answered that question. With the Charge Station Pro, you can charge your F-150 Lightning from 50 to 100% in about 7 to 8 hours depending on conditions. Another unique feature of the Charge Station Pro is when properly equipped, you can use your F-150 Lightning as a battery backup for your house, like a generator, and power your house for up to 3 days. One of the major differences between an F-150 and the F-150 Lightning is the headlights and the front end here. You're going to see a headlight LED light bar that goes all the way across. There's no grill here to provide air because there's no radiator, but down below right here you do have active grill shutters that will open up and provide cooling air to the battery when necessary. Thank you for watching our video on the Ford F-150 Lightning XLT. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Again, my name is Joel Moore at Jess Auto Groups here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.